Still complicating your trading? A flood of indicators, dozens of signals, but what if it is simpler? A strategy that reads the market through the most underrated factor, volume. Hello everyone, my name is Uche and I want to show you something that will work definitely in 2026. It is time to open new horizons, and the new year is the perfect reasons for new strategy, the right moment to get to know it. Today, we'll break down the best combinations that will stay relevant for a very long time. Watch how the combo with the Weis wave volume oscillators become your main weapon for the next 12 months. Let's go. So friends, the best strategy today is support trend combined with the Weis waves volume oscillators. From now on, I will just call it Weis waves, and now I will show you why we need it. Here we have a clear uptrend and support trend shows it perfectly. When it greens and under the charts, we have a signals for growth. By the way, red bands mean stage of decline, but that's not so important right now. What matters is this growth is here. It is obvious even without indicators, but it's not even in details. There's annoying little pullbacks down kept happening. The constantly accompanying the price, and each of them define a losing trade. We are here to make money, and now I will show you how to maximize it. We need a filter, and Weis wave is perfect for this world. The indicator consists of consecutive green and red bars that grow like waves. And now the most interesting parts. Look what is happening with the price at that moment. All candles are green, a complete match that the very first red candle sits right under a red Weis waves bar. Then again grow of green bars, and again all candles are green. Then comes a red waves of the indicators, and it is matched the red pullback in price. Again a green stage of Weis waves, and again the asset builds multiple green candle in a row. You already get it, guys. We enter on green Weis wave bar during an uptrend, skip the red waves of the indicators. If support trend were downward, we'd trade the opposite. The main thing is to know the overall directions and catch the moments when the indicators confirm the signals. And yes, we already have it right here and now. We can confidently enter the market based on the marching signals of our trading system. Weis waves is red and not the first bar. So without hesitations, I open a short trade. Now, while we are in the market, let me give an important comment. We have a decline, but we always evaluate Weis wave only by close candles. The last one is green, but it just started and can repent many times within a minute. Here we simply wait calmly, knowing we are in trade with a valued trade strategy. We are trading on minutes. If you want, you can choose another time frame. It's not that important for this strategy, since it reversal in every sense of the word. Looks like we are moving into profit zones. Yes, the candle turns red, and along with it, Weis waves also turn red. That's exactly why I don't recommend analyzing a bar that hasn't closed yet, because most of the time it will change color like a traffic light. Okay guys, the first success of the day is here. We have got the first of the new downward moves confirmed by Weis wave, so I see no reason to leave these charts. So let's repeat the trade right now. So a series of red bars, which means the market move is fine. The main thing is to analyze it in combinations and work systematically. On my Telegram, I often focus on the basics of optimizing trading strategy. Subscribe to master these skills perfectly. You will also find my free signals there. If you are a complete beginner in trading, it is enough just to repeat them to get profit over distance. Come, join, we'll work together. And if you have questions, we can discuss them in DM. By the way, Weis waves close on the green candle. That's happened and it is not a problem. The main thing is not to enter on it. So after closing the trade, we'll switch the charts. Just 1 second left. Done. We entered in the middle of the time frame, but we won't continue here. A green Weis wave bar warns of danger. We trade the development of the wave, not its ends. So let's change the asset. Let's see what's happening in the market. Here it is also what we need. No indicator match, but there is a great opportunity. I'm opening the trade immediately. Let's move to analysis. It's simple here. A support trend breakout down turned it red. Weis wave gave 2 red bars at the same time. Of course, they match the charts. Now there is a green candle which already turned red. We are in the right place at the right time, guys. So let's check another time frame. On 5 minutes, there is no signal, but Weis wave is red. Weis strengthened our forecast already on the 1 minute charts. Extra confirmation is never a bad thing, so I recommend sometimes going higher to see larger scales data. Now, we just wait for the end of expirations, and again, we have got trouble. There is a closed green bar which signals risk for sellers. The trade is in profit, and I won't believe now because I like the situation so much. Instead, I will wait for the new candle. I slightly increase the trade risk and get ready to act. It is simple here. The new Weis waves bar is red. We trade down. Could have checked all the currency pair, look at the market, but I decided it's unnecessary. The main filter of this indicator is that it's always useful. On any type of asset, time frame or market stage, all you need to do is not trade long on the red Weis wave bar and not short on the green bar. I went into detail, but I didn't explain what the indicators actually shows. It is the graphical differences between sellers and buyers trade. Green means buying dominance, red means selling. A color change is the moment of initiative shift, which you should use for trade or stop depending on the situations. Okay, I'm in a profit again, and I think that's enough to move to the result. Well, if you watch this video carefully, you already know how and what to trade in 2026. Friends, personally, I haven't seen anything more effective than the Weis wave volume oscillators in a long time. It is literally a filter for anything. Apply it with any indicators or just use it together with technical analysis. You can open the chart yourself and see what these volume indicators gives on any time frame. The main thing, choose the correct expirations and don't break down your trading strategy. My personal strategy is already in front of you, but its real strength will show once you start applying and asking questions. So your next step, demo and comments. Share your findings and difficulties, and that's the best way for learning, and I will be glad to discuss them with you. Write below what you think about Weis waves and whether you have something more effective for long run. I'm waiting for your opinions and always glad for feedback and ready to answer. Also, hit likes buttons, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Very soon, I will show you new trading strategy that will definitely works. Wishing you profit. Take care of yourself, my friend. See you.